We will solve our math problem today by using the law of sine and the sine function. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Towers A and B stands on a horizontal plane, Tower B being 200 meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of Tower A as seen from a point C in the plane, in the same horizontal plane with A and B, is 50 degrees. The angle of depression of C viewed from the top of Tower B is 28 degrees 51 minutes. The angle subtended at the top of Tower B by the top of Tower A and C is 50 degrees. Find the height of Tower A. Now, we have to make the rough sketch of the two towers. So, if this is the plane, horizontal plane, and we have, for example, we have the Tower A, and we have Tower B, this is B and this is A, and there we observe the angle of elevation at point C on the same horizontal line with A and B. So, for example, we have the C here, the point C. Now, it says here that the angle of elevation of Tower A as seen from point C, so this is the Tower A, as seen from point C, is equal to, the angle of elevation is equal to 50 degrees. Now, the angle of depression of C viewed from the top of tower is 28 degrees 51 minutes. So, angle of depression from this side, observing going to the C, the point C, the angle of depression therefore is equal to 28 degrees 51 minutes. Now, another sentence here said, the angle subtended at the top of Tower B by the top of Tower A and C, so that means the angle formed from this to here is equal to 50 degrees. So, what is required here is the height of the tower. That means the height of the Tower A. So, how to solve this one? First, we have to change this 28 degrees and 51 minutes. So, 28 degrees and 51 minutes can be converted to 28 degrees 51 minutes divided by, because in 1 degree it is, there is 60 minutes. So, we convert this one, will be equal to 28.85 degrees. We make it in all in degrees para madali isolve. Now, to find the height of the tower, this is what we're looking for. You can use the sine formula, sine function, which is equal to sine of 50 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is the height of the Tower A over the side AC. Side AC therefore, height of the tower therefore is equal to AC sine 50 degrees. Now, we have equation 1 because we have to solve first the AC before we can solve the height of the tower A. Now, to find AC, first we have to solve the problem inside this irregular triangle. Now, we have the given 50 degrees. Here, theta and this alpha we have to look for. But here we can find theta by subtracting 180 minus 50 minus 28 degrees, 28.85 degrees. Therefore, angle theta can be solved by subtracting 180 degrees minus 28.85 degrees minus 50 degrees. Theta therefore is equal to 101.033 degrees. So now because we solved the theta and we have 50 degrees, so we can find angle alpha. Angle alpha can be solved by subtracting 180 degrees because in a triangle is equal to, the interior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the given 50 minus 101.033. Therefore, angle alpha is equal to 28.967 degrees. Now, of course, we have to find the AC to solve the height of the tower A. Now, first, to solve this one, we have to find first the BC because we have already the given angle here and we have the height of the tower. So we can use the sine function which is equal to sine of 28.85 degrees, because from where this 28 degrees of 51 minutes, this is from this side, because alternate interior angles must be equal. For example, this one is theta, this one also is theta. It's like this in mathematics. Therefore, from this diagram, we can say sine of 28.85 degrees, the equivalent of this one, equals to the opposite, which is 200 meter, divided by the hypotenuse, which is equal to BC. BC therefore is equal to 200 divided by sine 28.85 degrees. Therefore, BC is equal to 412.967 meter. So, nahanap na natin ang BC. This is the side BC. So, now we can use the law of sine formula because we have already the BC, we have the angle. All the angles are given. So, to solve the side AC over the opposite angle of this side, which is equal to angle B, which is equal to 50. So, sine of 50 degrees equals BC. We solved already BC. So, BC, which is equal to 412.967 divided by the opposite angle of BC, which is equal to alpha, which we solve it 28.9. So, sine of 28.967. AC therefore AC therefore is equal to 653.21 meter. Now, we solve the side AC. Now, here we are. Now, we can find the height of the tower from this equation because we've already solved the side AC. Therefore, height of the tower A is equal to AC sine 50 degrees. AC, which is 653.21 sine of 50 degrees. Height of the tower, therefore, is equal to 500.39 meter. Yan ang hinahanap natin, the height of the tower A. Guys, bago nga pala ako mag-in ng video ko, ibigay ko muna sa inyo ang sagot ng question ko nung last premiere. How long will it take if you travel 200 km with an average speed of 100 meter per second? Unfortunately, maraming sumasagot, kaya lang, iisa lang talaga ang nanalo. Now, ibigay ko muna ang solution bago ko i-announce yung winner. Ang solution dito, ang gagamitin na formula is the volume is equal to the distance over the time. Now, we have the given distance, which is 200 kilometer, and the volume, which is 100 meter per second. Now, just substitute the values here in the formula. But you have to multiply, you have to change the kilometer to meter because the volume, given volume is in meter per second. So, you have to multiply by 1,000 meters because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So, the correct solution is 200 times 1,000 meters divided by 100. And the result is, the answer is 2,000 seconds. And again, a big congratulations to Gandalor Zomba for winning 1,000 pesos.
Sorry, it's DJ.